go to the moon.
To bring life to machines and algorithms, we might consider this to be our great Frankenstein era.
Robots and AI are going to make humanity into whatever it is we're capable of becoming.
Are we making robots in our own image? It goes into the heart of what it means to be human.
There's nothing more human than telling our stories. I've decided to test the outer limits of the human endeavor to create AI. I'm going to build a robot and let it conduct the final interview for this film.
What does silence feel?
What will this tell us about intelligent machines? And about ourselves?
If we make the machines better than us, why do they need us at all?
Just like always, technology shapes humanity. Who knows what we're going to become?
You hate your enemy?
How do you know what an enemy is?
Just because I'm presuming that I could be kinda human if I only had a heart. I'd be tender, I'd be gentle, and awful sentimental regarding love and art.
Who are you?